about Rosalind.
Hell, that girl knows trouble like apple knows pie.
Excuse me.
Boy, you be careful now about where you're touching my daughter.
Oh, I'm sorry.
We gotta be careful with this Rosalind situation so she don't get hurt.
So, I guess the two of you haven't been formally introduced. Dad, this is...
Nick, I know. You told me all about it. Failed to mention the, disability.
It's kind of a new thing, sir.
You seem like a fine person, but whatever dude Juliet ends up with is gonna be part of the family business. What are you gonna do? Throw magic stars at chupacabras with your tongue?
Maybe, Dad. Nick's tongue is very limber.
And how do you know that?
She doesn't. She doesn't know that at all, sir. She has no idea if my tongue is limber.
We're here. What the hell kind of place is this?
It's the Fulci Fun Center, Dad, where all the kids from San Romero hang out after school. Look at this. I'll head into the building at the entrance, all right? Daddy, you go around and sneak in from the back. I'll act as a decoy, drawing all the zombies' attention towards me, while you go up to the roof where Rosalind should be.
Juliet, you just made yourself a decoy.
Dad, what's wrong?
My little girl is a tactical genius. Your mom and me got a little something for your special day. Happy birthday, baby.
Thanks, Daddy.
All right, I'm off.
Good luck, sir. You're gonna do awesome, I'm sure of it.
Stop sucking up, son. And don't think I forgot that tongue stuff, neither. You best watch what you do with my little girl when you're hiding in the shadows.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
I think he really liked you. All right! Oh, I'm so touched. My mom and dad knew exactly what I wanted.
Nick, shoot!
I can't wait to thank them in person.
I want to play games 24/7. Hit the button faster.
I need to level up.
Look at the zombie geek zombieing out killing zombies in video games.
If we kill them, it'll be totally meta. I don't have this one yet.
New game's out today.
We better help this dude before his game is over.
Oh, I'll go all raiding mature on their asses.
metal up your ass.
Going up.
Whoa! Things just got all Commodore 64 on us.
Uh-oh, I think it thinks we're blue ghosts.
Are you ready? Start.
I guess the one thing I don't have to worry about is calloused thumbs.
Lard-ass bait.
That dude would be scarier if he wasn't wearing a fez.
Intruder alert!
I'm drooling. Wow!
Intruder alert! Intruder alert! Intruder alert!
Oh my god!
Intruder alert!
Wow!
Intruder alert! Intruder alert! Intruder alert! Intruder alert! Intruder alert!
So delicious.
You win! next level.
Now seems like the perfect time to take a shopping break. Let's do this thing! Yay! My triceps are getting a total workout swinging this chainsaw around.
Are you just rubbing in that I don't have triceps?
I wonder what they have.
Crazy way you thrill me, tell you why. Just like the
What should I get?
from the sky. He loves to kiss me till I can't see straight. Gee, my lollipop is great. I call him lollipop, lollipop, oh lolly, 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 lollipop, lollipop.
What should I get?
Lolly, 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 lollipop, lolly,
There it is, there it is!
lolly, 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 lollipop. Lollipop, lollipop, oh,
Well,
Wow.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I bet you wet. Oops. That's up my head.
You ready?
No! Leave me alone! Please!
No! I'm too pretty to die! We're gonna bring these zombies the funk, right, Nick?
What? You gonna fuck a zombie?
No, gross! Bring them the funk!
Oh, I'm sorry. I was thinking of something else, and I'm really sorry.
Thanks, Juliet. Totally gonna friend request you tonight.
Death metal's for pussies.
Ready?
I'm Joseph James, bitch!
Hey there!
Are you ready? Start.
Let's check out these elevators.
And this!
All right, this is all too surreal. If a little dude in a red cap and blue overalls pops out at me, I am seriously gonna vomit all over myself.
This is great! I'm such a game geek! Looking good!
Fucking awesome.
Cool! All right! Sweet!
Guess I'm into some side-scrolling from time to time.
Nick, now isn't the time to be talking dirty.
You're already dead.
They say solid colors are slimming. Does my butt look less ginormous when I'm all pink like this?
Your butt never looks ginormous, Juliet. Oh well.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Going up. It's more fun killing zombies when they're in rainbow colors, huh?
It's about the same, maybe a little better.
Funky, funky. Continue.
You win! Next level.
Would I practice this alone in my room? I do it naked and get less wind resistance. I do it for the exercise. Really? Hey, zombies. Put $1 in my skirt and I won't kill you. Haha, just kidding. I'll kill you anyway.
You're supposed to throw dollar bills, dude, not bombs.
Moonwalk on your face.
Are you ready? Start.
That dumb wall's in the way.
Keep going. You're destroying the wall. All this retro nonsense is bugging me hardcore.
Done and done.
At least you'll never have to wear parachute pants, Nick, even if they come back in style. Yes!
You win! Next level.
It's nearly 9 o'clock. You should go home. I think I'm down.
Juliet, look out overhead.
God, I love shopping. Click, click.
Lollipop is mine. Lollipop, lollipop, oh, lolly, lolly.
I found something.
Lollipop, oh, lolly, lolly.
Check this out.
Lollipop, oh, lolly, 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 lollipop.
I found something.
Crazy way it thrills me.
Well, You're so sexy, Nick. Nick toss. Go!
I'm going down a tunnel. Oh no! I see Satan! I need to get home.
I wonder what they have.
Crazy way it thrills me. Tell you why. Just like the lightning from the sky.
Click, click.
He loves to kiss me till I can't see straight. She, my lollipop, is great. I call him Lollipop, Lollipop, oh lolly, 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 lollipop, lollipop. Oh,
What should I get?
lolly, lolly, lollipop, lollipop, oh lolly, 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 lollipop.
What should I get?
Lollipop,
That's it, that's it!
lolly, 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 lollipop, lollipop, oh lolly, 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 lollipop, lollipop, oh lolly, 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 lollipop.
Okay then.
Can you keep up?
Hello, Ida.
Are you ready? Start.
Jeez, we have to make it to the top without running into anything.
I hope those dudes below are.
No!
Are you ready? You win!
We're here, on the roof of the building. Where's my sister?
fate.
That's where we need to go, Juliet.
Rosalind, where are you? You're the one from the phone. Give me back my sister.
What's the matter, baby? Didn't you like our phone SEXXX? That's a pity.
Let me think. Dude, give us Rosalind now. And quit making fun of Stephen Hawking. He's a great man, you perv.
I'm the pervert? You the one with a head hanging from your hip. I already told you, girlie, if you want to win your sister back, you have to play the game. Whoa, baby, time to get the fuck out. Light up, please. I'm feeling hot, feeling super freaky. I'm feeling hot. I'm getting fucking hot. I'm feeling good and solid. I'm feeling super freaky. Dance.
Ready?
I'm feeling fucking girl. I'm feeling hot. Are you retarded?
Just calm down and hit it. You can win this one easily.
Let's get ready.
It's an IFO. Identified fucking object.
Now it's mine. Pretty cool. Chainsaw blaster! Chainsaw blaster!
Just calm down and hit it. You can
win this one easily.
Second stage, initiating funky.
I won't let this perv get away!
I just identified an unidentified flying object, and we're freaking standing on it.
A UFO?
Great job, Juliet. But hurry! Break the next machine quickly! Go, go, go!
Wait, hold on. If you kill me, you never see your sister.
No!
Hey! You promised you'd give her back if we won!
You trusted what I said? I'm a mother freaking zombie. Drop the chainsaw now, ho. Hey, baby. For me. Go ahead, Juliet.
Looks like you're out of coins, weird voice guy.
May your speed to Redgate Products, sorry, yo.